Wow, what a spectacular performance. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause. Awards and recognition play a pivotal role in a student's life and enthuse them to work hard for future endeavors. To begin with, we present before you the Academic Excellence Award for 2023-24. Academic Excellence Award is conferred on a student whose academic performance during the year demonstrates remarkable consistency at the highest level of achievement in academics. Awards span across all classes and recognize the scholars of 2023-24. Now, may I request all the eminent dignitaries to come on the dais for the prize distribution. Now, I request the escorting pilots to escort the honorable dignitaries.
From 1B, Academic Excellence goes to Aryan Madgire. From 1C, Academic Excellence goes to Devansh Pise. Next we have grade 2. From 2A, Academic Excellence goes to Navya Rathod. From 2B, Academic Excellence goes to Adya Dalal. From 2C, Academic Excellence goes to Nidhi Chavan and Asmi Motiale. Next we have grade 3. From 3A, Academic Excellence goes to Janvi Patel. From 3B, Academic Excellence goes to Shaurya Patil and Aradhya Tukre. From 3C, Academic Excellence goes to Sejal Lamdhade. From 3D, Academic Excellence goes to Arush Borse. Next we have grade 4. From 4A, Academic Excellence goes to Saima Pari and Aryan Dyotkar. Next we have from 4B, Academic Excellence goes to Shaurya Rajput. From 4C, Academic Excellence goes to Avni Hatkar. From 4D, Academic Excellence goes to Aradhya Kothari. From 4E, Academic Excellence goes to Kalash Chandiwal and Vedika Dattale. Next we have grade 5. From 5A, Academic Excellence goes to Gunjan Gandhi. From 5B, Academic Excellence goes to Avni Gharte. From 5C, Academic Excellence goes to Mrunmay Lokhande and Vignesh Deshmukh. From 5D, Academic Excellence goes to Arnav Chavan. From 5E, Academic Excellence goes to Avnish Pawar. Next in the line, we have the Best Sports Person Award, which is awarded to those students who have gained the highest representation in sports competition. The awards are given based on accumulated points for each level of representation. So, the prestigious award of the Best Sports Person in primary section goes to Ms. Sanchi Khillare. A big round of applause to all the winners. Thank you you, dignitaries. I request all the eminent dignitaries to take their seats on the dais.
May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Aishwarya Avinash Adha Ma'am, to enlighten us.
It's an honor to stand before all of you today. As I look at all these bright children, enthusiastic faces, I'm reminded of the strength and determination young minds hold. Today, I want to share a story about my journey of completing the Ironman 70.3, a triathlon where you swim, cycle, and run long distances. But I want to tell it in a way you might connect with by weaving in a lesson from one of the greatest epic of all time, the Mahabharata. Just like characters of Mahabharata face challenges, doubts, and obstacles, I had my own battles to fight. And along the way, I discovered lessons that helped me succeed. Lessons that I believe can help all these children too. When I first heard about the Ironman triathlon, I was fascinated. Swimming almost 2 kilometers, cycling 90, and running 21, it felt like something out of a dream. But dreams don't become reality unless you focus. Do you remember the story of Arjuna from the Mahabharata and the bird's eye? When Dronacharya asked his students what they saw, Arjuna said, "I only see the bird's eye." He was focused entirely on his goal, ignoring everything else. Similarly, when I decided to train for Ironman, I had blocked out distractions. Whether it was laziness, fear of failure, or temptation of giving up, I had to remind myself, stay focused on the finish line. Whatever goal these children might hold, whether it's excelling in school, winning a competition, or pursuing your passion, keep your eye on your bird's eye. Training for Ironman wasn't easy. The first time I tried swimming, I could barely make it across the pool. When I started running, I felt like my legs would give up, and cycling, oh, don't ask. That felt like trying to climb a mountain where there were moments I wanted to quit. But then I thought of Draupadi's resilience. When she was humiliated in the court of Kauravas, she didn't give up. She prayed, stood strong, and waited for the right time to fight for justice. Draupadi taught us that even when the odds are against you, you must not lose faith in yourself. In the same way, I reminded myself that setbacks are part of journey. Every time I failed, I got back up and tried again. Remember, children, strength isn't about never failing. It's about rising every time that you do. Do you think I completed Ironman alone? Absolutely not. I had coaches, friends, and family who supported me, cheered me on, and believed in me. The Pandavas won the Kurukshetra not just because they were the strongest, but because they worked as a team. Yudhishthir's wisdom, Bhima's strength, Arjuna's skill, Nakul and Sahadev's strategies, all of them together made Pandavas invincible. In your life, children, remember that you don't have to do everything alone. Whether it's your teachers guiding you, your friends encouraging you, or your family supporting you, teamwork will always make you stronger. There are points during the Ironman race when I felt like it was a complete defeat. During the run, my legs started feeling like a jelly and my energy was running out. I thought, what if I can't finish it? But then I thought of Abhimanyu. Even though he was young, he didn't hesitate to face the mighty warriors in Chakravyuh. He gave it his all, fighting with all his courage. At that moment, I told myself, if I've come this far, I can go further. I pushed myself one step at a time and eventually I crossed the finish line. Abhimanyu teaches us that age, size, and experience doesn't define your strength. Your belief in yourself does. In the Mahabharata, Krishna often reminded the Pandavas to focus on their duty, not the results. He told Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita, you have the right to perform your duties, but not the fruits of your actions. When I was training for Ironman, I did not know I would succeed. But I trusted the process. I trained every day, took small steps, and gave it my best. And in the end, the result took care of itself. In your life, children, don't worry too much about the outcome. Instead, focus on giving your best all the time. Whether it's preparing for an exam, learning a new skill, playing a sport, trust that your hard work will pay off. Each one of you is writing your own Mahabharata. Your life will have challenges, battles, and moments when you feel like giving up. But remember, be focused like Arjuna, be resilient like Draupadi, work together like Pandavas, believe in yourself like Abhimanyu, and trust the process like Krishna taught. You don't have to be perfect to start. Take small steps every day and you'll be amazed of what you can achieve. Thank you for having me here today. I believe in each of these children, and I can't wait to see the incredible journeys all these children create. Remember, children, you're stronger and braver than you think. Keep dreaming, keep working hard, and never give up. All of you have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of wisdom. May I now request our honorable dignitaries to take their seat in the central pavilion. I request the escorting pilots to escort the honorable dignitaries.
Your true color, just like a peacock. Here are great for students to stand out and perform like a peacock in the world full of pigeons.
if you need to take parents because the parents who are sitting behind are not able to see the show. It's a kind request to all the parents.
Excellent performance. Parents, please give a big round of applause.
Our sports day is turning to be a spectacular event filled with energy, greed and applause. Amid the escalating excitement sits a pillar of calm guidance and motivation. Our Honorable Secretary Academic Council of DGI Group, Dr. Mona Mehdi ma'am. I now request Honorable Mona ma'am to encourage us with her insightful words of wisdom. I request the escorting pilots to escort respected ma'am towards the stage.
चल रहे हैं ये दे दे ऊपर
A very good evening to our distinguished guest, Ms. Aishwarya. A young, bright future for our country, I see that. Our honorable guest, Principal TJIS, Chhatrapati Shambhaji Nagar, Ms. Shikha Srivastava, parents, students, teachers. For me, this is a great honor to be amongst you all. I've heard a lot about your school's annual days. It gives me pleasure to be part of this celebration. But being an academician, you know that. Teachers, at home you people say, teacher bolti bahut hai. Teachers are teachers. No matter which position you are in, we are teachers. It's in our blood. We are teachers not only by profession, but it is in our blood. I came with a totally clear mindset. I checked with Shikha madam. Madam, is there anything important I need to speak about? She said, ma'am, as you wish. I think I have been here for the last 2 hours. While sitting, I observed few things and immediately thought, let me give my message through 2 important short stories. Don't worry, we are ahead of time. I checked with Shikha ma'am. I'm one person who doesn't believe in even deviation of 1 minute. Forget about 5 minutes. I won't be taking that kind of a time. Stories will be very short, very crisp. But I request each one of you to please listen. The first story is that of a butterfly. I'm sure some of you must have heard it as well. It might be a repetition of the story. All of you have seen the beautiful butterflies? Can I have a yes? Only my students are saying, parents, you didn't see a butterfly? Did you see a butterfly ever? Parents, did you ever see a butterfly? Yes, thumbs up. Thanks to COVID. Online classes, thumbs up. Okay, good. I got a lot of thumbs up. The beautiful, colorful butterfly. We all love it. We like to see it. We adore it. Now let's keep that butterfly as our own child. That butterfly doesn't become so beautiful and so lovely and can fly so high if we start interfering. And here is the story. So there was a man sitting with his son trying to give some science lesson and showed that how the butterfly comes out from the cocoon. Okay? So that egg, then it larva, and then becomes the cocoon. And then they both were seeing that parents are, I think if you are a parent, your emotions are the strongest. I always believe in it. Because when you become a parent, you don't have to get any degree. You are a parent the moment your child is born. And you are the most emotional creature. So that son and father, they were seeing the butterfly, the cocoon. Then they saw that there was something trying to come out of that cocoon. The father, full of emotions, told the son, I think this creature requires our help. थोड़ी सी मदद करते हैं इसको. उसको ना वो cocoon को, bring a pencil, let's help it out. And the father and the son, they both helped the colorful butterfly to come out of the cocoon. And you know what? The butterfly could never fly. It could never fly. Because that's the law of nature. That struggle, when the butterfly is trying to struggle and come out of that cocoon, that is the struggle which makes the butterfly strong to fly. What did I say? Let's keep the butterfly as our own children. I think the message is strong enough for all of you to understand. Help your child, but not to an extent where the child is unable to go ahead in life. The world is not going to be sweet. No one has given bed of roses for any one of us. But this generation parents, I'm in this education field for the last 30 years, 30. And the change of parents' mindset is so very different from what it used to happen when I had joined my school as a teacher in 1994. Parents don't want the child to fall. The practice, the things which we saw on the field, it doesn't happen in a classroom. The child has to fall. The child has to rise. Be there. But don't do spoon feeding for your child. I hope I have made sense. It is like these days, people will say, अरे ये मैडम लोगों को माइक दे दो, ये कुछ भी ज्ञान देती रहती हैं. I am a mother. I am a mother of a 30-year-old son. I have gone through every level of struggle, what a parent goes through, what an educationist go through. Then I have the courage to stand here. If I ask half of you here, what do you want your child to be? IIT चला जाए. मेरा बच्चा IIT चला जाए, कम से कम. मेरा बेटा IIT से PhD करके आया है. अब आप बोलो. IIT से PhD करके आया है. MTech शिखा मैम नोज. अभी आप IIT की क्या बात कर रहे हो? IITian की मदर खड़ी हुई है यहाँ पर. IITian की मदर खड़ी हुई है, आपको बता रही है कि प्लीज डोंट गिव undue support to your child. Let him fall. Let him get up. Today I am here. The child has to take care. I mean, he's no more a child. He's a grown-up man. But कभी तो बच्चा था. कभी तो हम स्कूल के बाहर जाते थे. The children have to be taught to be on their own, but stand there and keep seeing what they are doing. When I say stand there, बस खड़े ही मत होना, कभी गिर जाए तो उठा भी लेना, first aid लगा देना, but don't be always there. Next is, teacher ने डांटा, हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. मैं तो टीचर हूँ, मेरा बेटा तो बेचारा वैसे ही विक्टिम है, घर में भी डांट पड़ती है, टीचर से भी डांट पड़ती है. उसको यही नहीं पता होता कि टीचर ने डांटा कि मम्मा ने डांटा. But then, to make him reach there, that firmness was required. It doesn't happen by giving bed of roses कि बेटा भाई खा लो टाइम पे, एक्स्ट्रा क्लास मत जाओ, कुछ भी मत करो, तुम IIT पहुंच जाओ, तुम एम्स पहुंच जाओ. It doesn't happen overnight. So this was one story. Don't try to create a culture or an atmosphere for your child wherein the child doesn't know how to stand. Sorry to say, I was seeing some children. This event, if I ask Shika ma'am, this chairs and all is kept for parents or students also? She said only parents. If I was in your place, I would have never allowed my child to sit on the chair and another parent standing there. That's how parenting is. You don't have to speak about it. No one teaches these things. This is what happens. The next story is that of a parrot. Okay, there was a king, went to a jungle, lost his way. He was all decked up, nice jewelry. He went on, Raja लोग तो ऐसे ही थे, बड़े महाराज थे. पहुँचे, they went near, that king lost the way and went near a hut. The moment it reached there, the king was about to knock the door, the parrot started shouting. बहुत सारे गहने पहना है, पकड़ लो इसको, नोचो, मारो, मारो, इसको पीटो, पकड़ लो. The king immediately thought, I have reached somewhere where there are dacoits. Immediately he ran away from that place. Okay, that parrot was saying he didn't even knock the door, he moved out. The next is, he was riding, tired, he reached one another place. Again there was a parrot. The parrot said, Atiti aaye hai, darwaza kholo, unko khana do, unko pani do. The king was very impressed. He went, he opened the door, he saw that the door was that of a sage, sadhu sant ka ghar tha. Need I say more? आप जो सिखाओगे वही बाहर आएगा. That's how the world is. When the king asked the sage, what is the difference? The parrot told, not the sage. The parrot said, we are born from the same family. We both are parrots. It's the culture which we are taught. Whatever has been taught at my place, I speak that. Whatever that other parrot has heard, will speak that. Parents, you are fortunate that you have a school which gives you values, culture, everything you ask for. I think in the JGI family, there are many schools I keep going. But Aurangabad is one place. I'm sorry, TJIS, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Right, Shika madam? Sambhaji Nagar, this school holds a very high opinion amongst all the JGI family. The reason is all the stakeholders, the management, the parents, the students, the teachers. So let's clap for all the stakeholders of this family. Let me hear it louder. I just told a story. Your children are looking at you. They will do what you do. When your school's name comes, automatically it should be a sense of pride. For me, this is an occasion to interact with the parents, to know the pulse of the parents. I was very impressed the way the performances have been done. And thanks to each parent who was ready to make the child come out of the comfort zone. The moment it is told it is sports day, you know, the child is going to stand in the sun, the child will have to run, the child will have to perform. But you want to have your child as a colorful butterfly, not putting in a cocoon, but making the child spread the wings. I would like to take your leave with just 4 lines, a signature statement of mine. Many of you know about me. बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा. हदी शहर से निकली तो गांव-गांव चली. हदी शहर से निकली तो गांव-गांव चली. कुछ यादें मेरे संग पाँव-पाँव चली. सफ़र जो धूप का किया तो ये तजुर्बा हुआ. सफ़र जो धूप का किया तो ये तजुर्बा हुआ. वो ज़िंदगी ही क्या जो छाँव-छाँव चली. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, astounding evening. Thank you.
Respected Mona ma'am to take her seat in the central pavilion. I request the escorting pilots to escort respected Mona ma'am. Now here are the students of grade 5, 6, 7 and 8 performing zealous and energetic drills in front of all of you. So please give them a huge round of applause.
I request parents not to take pictures and videos. Please sit down and do what. If you want to take videos, please kneel down so that you are not objecting others.
नहीं तीर तलवार नहीं गोली नहीं गोली तू खुद है तेरी फौज तू ही टोली नहीं तीर तलवार नहीं गोली तू खुद है तेरी फौज तू ही टोली हारों को पकड़ लैन दे हारों को जकड़ लैन दे आज बंदे चक लैन दे ओ चक लैन दे आज बंदे चक लैन दे ओ चक लैन दे ओ चक लैन दे हाँ चक लैन दे ओ चक लैन दे सूरज को तक लैन दे ओ तक लैन दे आज बंदे चक लैन दे ओ चक लैन दे दिखा दे, स्टेडियम को हिला दे, ऐसा हल्ला
Hello, it's a kind request to all the parents. Please do not take the videos now. Your videos will be provided to you. If you want to take the videos, be seated and do it. All the parents who are standing, it's a kind request.
What a spectacular performance! Wow, what a skillful and energetic performance by middle school students. Academic Excellence Award is conferred on students whose academic performance during the year demonstrates remarkable consistency at the highest level of achievement in academics. Awards span across all classes and recognize the scholars of 2023-24. Now, may I request all the eminent dignitaries to come on the dais for the prize distribution. Now, I request the escorting pilots to escort the honorable dignitaries.
Play your own game, cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you'll never tell them how it feels, how it feels.
To start with, we have grade 6. From 6A, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Mihika Kulkarni. From grade 6B, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Atharva Vadgire. From grade 6C, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Shivam Pimple. From grade 6D, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Ketki Tandre. From grade 6E, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Bhakti Gurav. From 7th A, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Anna Olokar. From 7B, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Ninad Gujarati. From 7C, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Siddhi Zadhav. From 7D, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Rutvi Taksare. From 7E, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Virat Sarve. From 8A, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Akshata Pawar. From 8B, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Kunal Joshi. From 8C, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Pinal Dapade. From 8D, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Jinal Jain. From 8E, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Kanat More. From 9A, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Nanda Ganage. From 9B, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Saujanya Deolankar. From 9C, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Swayam Paval. From 9D, the Academic Excellence Award goes to Priyanshu Prajapati. Now the toppers of grade 10th for academic session 2023-24 are Aishwarya Ingoye, Sai Mandlecha, Prithviraj Kakre, Prajwal Ghate, Raghav Karwa, Shrinay Shinde, Sai Deshmukh and Bhavya Pawar. Congratulations to all my dear friends.
And now the prestigious award of Best Sports Person in secondary section goes to Shravan Wankhede. Parents, please give him a big round of applause. Parents, please give him a huge round of applause.
Now the time has come for everyone to hold your breath, as it is the time for the Best House Trophy. I request Honorable Chief Guest, respected Secretary Academic Council of JGI Group, Dr. Mona Mehdi Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, to declare the Best House for 2024-25 and the Best House for March Pass.
So, I think all the houses are there, all the 4 houses are there? Or are you aware of the result? No, okay. So let me put an end to the suspense. This is definitely one of the best award which defines the team spirit. So the best house, let's start with today's March Past. Was, we have done I hope we have done justice. And the best award goes to Aditya House for today's March Past.
It's a moment of pride and honor for me also being the principal of this house has been really doing great throughout the year. Congratulations, Aditya House, House Warden Miss Poonam Pandit, along with all the members and the students.
And I think after this, you will stop with the house-wise competitions, right? But you should put up the board still. So the best house for the academic year 2024-25, any guesses? Aditya, I hear then. Aditya is Abhay, I hear then. Anant, I hear. Anything else? Ashoka also. So all the 4 houses. Then let's declare it. It is Anant House, the best house for the academic
Congratulations,
year.
Ananta House, the House Warden, Mr. Balu Singh, along with all the house members and the students. Congratulations. Okay, the entire year I was just watching the tiff and the fight happening among all the 4 houses. So the best Cock House trophy goes to Ananta House. Congratulations, both the houses in respective domains. Congratulations.
We are proud to have among us the educators and staff who have sincerely devoted their service to TGIS for more than a half decade. So, first in a row, we have Primary School Coordinator, Ms. Rekha Thakur Ma'am. She has dedicated 14 years of service to TGIS. Next, we have Anikesh Shukla sir. He has dedicated 13 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Arun Kaide sir. He has dedicated 12 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Dipali Deshmukh ma'am. She years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Balu Singh sir. He has dedicated 11 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Middle School Coordinator Paramjit Oberoi ma'am. She has dedicated 11 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Ruturaj Gapre sir. He has dedicated 11 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Mansi Suradkar ma'am. She has dedicated 10 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Santosh Keche sir. He has dedicated 10 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Archana Magre ma'am. She has dedicated 9 years of service to TJIS.
Next, we have Poonam Pandit ma'am. She has dedicated 9 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Rupali Shukla ma'am. She has dedicated 9 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Sangeeta Bokade ma'am. She has dedicated 9 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Toddlers Coordinator Aparna Vadgaonkar ma'am. She has dedicated 7 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Ganesh Badak sir. He has dedicated 7 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Kiran Zadov ma'am. She has dedicated 7 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Nutan Mande ma'am. She has dedicated 7 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Priyanka Vebhare ma'am. She has dedicated 7 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Jayashree Zaibhai ma'am. She has dedicated 6 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Mansi Mehra ma'am. She has dedicated 6 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Niyati Marwa ma'am. She has dedicated 6 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Smita Pause ma'am. She has dedicated 6 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Sushil Kekan sir. He has dedicated 6 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Renuka Dahibate ma'am. She has dedicated 5 years of service to TJIS. And the next category is admin staff. And first we have Prashant Gule sir. He has dedicated 13 years of service to TJIS. Next we have Neha Bitsta ma'am. She has dedicated 11 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have our respected Vice Principal, Dipti Saraf ma'am. She has dedicated 10 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Savita Ucharmal ma'am. She has dedicated 9 years of service to TJIS. Next, we have Indrajit Singh sir. He has dedicated 6 years of service to TJIS.
The next category is supporting staff, and the first name in the row is Satyabhama Tate Didi. She has served 14 years of service to TJIS. Next we have Gangubai Dole Didi. She has served 11 years. Next we have Lakshmibai Chopre Didi. She has served 9 years. Next we have Sangeeta Kale Didi. She has served 9 years. Next we have Godavari Parke Didi. She has served for 8 years. Next we have Meera Chopre Didi. She has served 8 years. Next we have Kavita Magre Didi. She has served for 7 years. The next category is security, and the first name is Balaram Pardesi Bhaiya. He has served for 11 years. Next we have Bhimrao Gavi Bhaiya. He has served for 11 years. Next we have Bhimrao Gauri Bhaiya. He has served for 11 years. Next we have Raju Chawan Bhaiya. He has served for 7 years. Next we have Bhagyashri More Didi. She has served for 7 years. The next category is support staff, and the first name is Sharad Yadav Bhaiya. He has served for 15 years. Next we have Vijay Shirsat Bhaiya. He has served for 14 years. Next we have Gorakhnath Uday Bhaiya. He has served for 11 years. Next we have Sarla Sonavne Didi. She has served for 11 years. The next category is drivers, and the only name in the category is Mukund Ragre Bhaiya. He has served for 7 years.
The Academic Excellence Award from 6A goes to Mihika Kulkarni.
Thank you, respected dignitaries. May I request respected dignitaries to take their seats in the central pavilion. Now I request the escorting pilots to escort the honorable dignitaries.
A small token of our gratitude for dear parents. For everything you do, we've put together a short performance. Something to make you smile, laugh, and feel celebrated. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this special surprise just for you. This one's for the parents. The event, Thrillathon. Also see the behind the scenes videos.
आज आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो, जय हो। सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली बनाई है। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी तारे नीले आसमान के तले।
Showing gratitude for all the efforts, assistance and patience is a requisite. Hence, I invite the school head girl, Vedahi Patil, and head boy, Bhargav Deshmukh, to propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Guest, Miss Aishwarya Avinash Aghav Ma'am. Respected Secretary Academic Council of JGI Schools, Miss Mona Mehdi Ma'am. Respected Principal, Miss Shikha Srivastava Ma'am. Worthy teachers, valued parents, and my dear friends.
Good evening to all of you. As we conclude this exciting event, Umang 2024-25 Thrill-a-thon, we deem it a great honor to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion.
It is truly said that it is not happiness that brings in you the gratitude, but the gratitude that brings the happiness in life to the fullest.
Today, my words are not enough to express gratitude on behalf of the Jain International School, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar.
I extend my gratitude to our chief guest for the day, respected Aishwarya Avinash Aghav Ma'am, who graced this occasion with her eminent presence and guidance. Ma'am, today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely encourage us in our future events.
We would also like to mention a special thanks to our special surgeon, Captain Mohan Suresh Rote sir, and all the other distinguished dignitaries for their quality time given to us. We are grateful to our respected Dr. Mona Mehdi Ma'am, Secretary Academic Council, JGI Group, for sharing her pearls of wisdom, providing valuable cognition, and encouraging the morale of the students by her presence.
I mention my deep sense of gratitude to our respected principal, Ms. Shikha Srivastava Ma'am, for bestowing constant support and motivation throughout the process, right from the inception of the idea and also during the whole process of the nitty-gritty of the event.
Her constant drive stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. Ma'am's leadership has an everlasting impact on the young minds and the team since her advent in JGI.
My heartfelt thanks to our respected Vice Principal, Ms. Deepti Saraf Ma'am, and coordinators, Ms. Rekha Thakur Ma'am, Ms. Paramjit Oberoi Ma'am, and Ms. Aparna Vadgaonkar Ma'am for being instrumental throughout and for being a constant source of motivation and inspiration for the team members.
An event like this can't happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of proactive and dedicated staff of our institution.
I owe a special thanks to the CCA in charges, Ms. Varsha Salunke Ma'am, Ms. Rakhi Pillai Ma'am, Ms. Anita Peddi Ma'am, and Ms. Sangeeta Bokade Ma'am for the smooth conduction of the annual sports meet.
A special thanks to secondary and primary house masters, Aditya House, Poonam Pandit Ma'am and Dipali Paule Ma'am,
Abhay House, Santosh Keche Sir and Mansi Suradkar Ma'am,
Ashoka House, Sushil Kekan Sir and Madhuri Bhujbal Ma'am,
Ananta House, Balu Singh Sir and Mangla Janghare Ma'am.
I must thank Miss Mansi Mehra Ma'am and Miss Silpa Garrison Ma'am for grooming the compares for the eloquence and fluency which has definitely raised the bars by multitudes.
My sincere gratitude goes to Miss Niyati Marwa Ma'am and Miss Jayashree Zaibhai Ma'am for the arrangement of lamp lighting and awards. A special thanks to Miss Mansi Suradkar Ma'am for mementos, trophies and certificates.
A big thanks to our sports coaches, Mr. Anikesh Shukla sir, Mr. Ganesh Tupe sir, and Miss Ashwini Shinde ma'am, and all the other coaches for the smooth conduction of the sports event through the last month.
Thanks to Ruturaj sir and Sonali ma'am for the mesmerizing choreography and drills. We witnessed your talent and skills through the students' performances.
I thank Mr. Arun Kaide sir and Miss Asavari ma'am and Miss Kiran Zadav ma'am for making beautiful handmade invitation cards for the guests, the props and the mementos in the performances.
Thanks to Vinay sir and Ganesh sir for composing the melodic welcome song and music performance. I would like to thank the people who supported behind the scene to make this event a successful one. Thank you to the designer Mr. Praful Bhoyar sir who tirelessly worked right from conceptualizing, making creatives and teasers.
Thank you to Mr. Yogesh sir for their constant technical support.
I am thankful to the anchors Aradhya Ghuge, Jinai Jain, Aryan Bormale, Aradhya God, Shreya Vyavhare, Siddhi Zadav, Navya Patil and Anvesha Dalvi for their comparing. I would also like to thank the escorting pilots for their unwavering dedication.
With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our teachers for their untiring efforts and for motivating the students to come with the performances. I am deeply thankful to all the non-teaching, admin staff and supporting staff of TJIS Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar for helping and assisting in the smooth functioning of the event.
I am also thankful to all the volunteers for their active cooperation and support.
I am thankful to the transport department, drivers and escorts for bringing us to school safely every day. I would also like to thank the cafeteria department for making healthy and delicious food for us.
Finally, I would like to thank our dear students, the budding rock stars of JGI that made this event joyful with their impressive performances. Your hard work was evident in your acts.
Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents. Your presence was icing on the cake for today's event. Without your support, children would not have been able to achieve excellence.
In the end, let me thank you all once again. Because of you all, this event has become grander and more memorable this year.
We would conclude with the following lines for you. May the excitement for today enthuse all of us. May its enchantment surround us. May the fellowship that we share create happy memories and magical moments. Thank you all.
Let us all stand up in reverence for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य